How to redeem code on Steam Mobile. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store or the Play Store. As we're on the Android device, let me head over to Play Store. Search for the application Steam and then move into it. So right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. So first thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of app, simply open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In here what you want to do is head over to wallet at the top. Two different options will be visible to you. One is see my account details and the other is redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Simply head over to the second option, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. You will be able to see this section, which says Steam wallet code. In this section, all you want to do is enter the code that you have got for the Steam. Once you have entered, click on continue. After that, your code will be redeemed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem code on Steam. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.